Hey, Fliggle, why did the astronaut cancel his trip?
Why?
Because the moon was already full.
Bingo! Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Gummy.
Gummy who?
Gummy 5, Banana Bud.
Hey, Throper.
Hey, Flagle.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Howie.
Howie who?
Just fine, thanks. How are you?
Snort. What kind of music do bunny rabbits listen to? Hip-hop, of course.
Maybe I should sit down. This could take a while.